So my son's 7th birthday is coming up in just a little over a month, so I am in the throes of party planning, and he has chosen a Star Wars theme this year. So for his birthday invitation, I wanted to incorporate a droid, and I just wanted to share it with you guys because it is so cute. It was so easy to make. So it is just BB-8's head is a separate piece, and then his body, and there's an extra circle around it, and you can see that it's got different categories of the invitation on it. We've got Jedi Hugo is turning 7, and that stays, no matter which way you turn him. But up here it says, stay on target. This is the party you're looking for. And you can rotate it, and it looks like BB-8 is rolling. It is so cute. And then we have the date, we have the time, and then, over here we would see the address and the RSVP information. And it's just 2 pieces of cardstock held together with a little brad in the center, like that. So I found a similar invitation on Pinterest. That's where I got the idea from. I spent one night just tracing a BB-8 to get the little details for this. And then I uploaded it to the computer. I designed the circle bit with the circle text in Canva. It was super easy to do with their circle text feature. And then I had 3 separate pieces. I had the outer circle with the text on it, his body, and then his head. And I had to make sure that this part of his body was cut out so that it would show the details on the invitation underneath. And I uploaded those 3 pieces to Design Space for Cricut, and then did the print then cut feature. All 3 pieces fit on one piece of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, which made this super easy to finish. I think I printed 14 invitations. All within an hour, I had them printed and assembled. So I just let it print on my regular old $20 HP printer, put the sheet of cardstock on a cutting mat, loaded it into the Cricut, it cut it out. And what I did was in Design Space, I actually made sure that it had little cuts, like a little cross cut in the center of this and the bigger circle. That way I didn't have to line up anything. I just put the brad through the cut on that one, and then through the cut on this one, and voila, I had a BB-8 and just a thin strip of glue to attach his head on the back. Super easy, super cute, just had to share.